Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And Darren and I had such a fun adventure. Well, I am elated to say we had gone to Chicago for the weekend, and I got to spend time with Dory from Dory's Dollies. Oh my God, she's so much fun. And her husband, Andrew, he is a gem. Oh my goodness. He took us all over Chicago. He took us for a tour of Chicago. He's so fun to be with. He's as much fun as Dory. They're just delightful people. But this video is about our trip to the American Girl store.
We're getting ready to go to American Girl.
But she's like, it's Kavi, that one. Maritza, I think.
This one? You like?
This, the Maritza, I think she's.
Oh my God, that is adorable. Funnies.
They're free.
Yeah.
That was always a joke when I was growing up.
$30.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I love a doll on skates. We both have the same idea at the same time. How cute
Quite a
is
little
this?
seamless ski
Really
lift is
cute.
really cool.
Are you looking at the dolls? Yeah. Hi. Oh God, that's so cute. Look at the
Llama.
scooter.
It's a llama up there.
Oh, wow.
But it looks like it's just
So prim and proper.
Pie.
I have the. This is the one Jamie just got, Kit.
Yep. I have kid. I think they have 2 kids.
Really? Oh, the spa treatment.
Oh, that is really cute.
Over Ariel's little girl, like one of these, but I wanted her. And then when she came out, I go, wow, she's closer.
But yeah, they look the same to me basically. I have her,
Oh, she's pretty.
and her. Willow, I paid like $5 for her no clothes shoes. Where did you find her shoes?
Her dress. Accessories 36.
Oh, that is cute.
Oh, look at the little beaver.
Adorable.
And Grace got that teepee, didn't she? I think she did.
I think she did.
Oh, she's in 1954, Mary Ellen. That's why she's so cute. Look at that old vintage thermos.
Look at that thermos.
I love
That's
that.
good stuff. I like.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, here's more movies.
I know, they're real. They're nice. Why are they glass? I don't.
Charity kid.
Oh, yeah. Mattel just lifted that for sure. Now this is my 70s girl here.
Yeah,
Wow.
I do too.
I know that they were giving away a lot of her older accessories for cheap, and I missed out on that. And the pill box of the Jackie O hat. Yeah, glasses. Oh, yeah. That's the way to put me night night.
Oh, I'm not interested. Where it fits in, the whole bit, just like that.
I'm full and they're still making me hungry here. All this food here is making me hungry, and as Maren pointed out, it's not as well done as the stuff that Always Dolls does. Go check them out.
The smallest things for you.
You're not buying a metro? Are you buying a metro?
These are the outfits that I was showing. Are they on sale? Oh shit! Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to get these then.
There you go.
I would want to. Look at how cute they are. Am I crazy? Look at how cheap they are. Is the sweater gone? They had this one sweater that was so cute. Oh my gosh. Hold on. You're right. I saw that on the cart.
Chair. I got paparazzi, like I said. When I wash my dog.
Hey, here's Willow.
I don't know.
Yeah, Marna. Look at how cute that is. Did you see the little dress, the wings, the wand, the shoes?
That's cute. That
Is that the color? Oh yeah, white. She's got a like. Oh my gosh. Her face. She's just really a cute. I love that hair. I love that long, straight, really long hair.
Isn't that funny?
I think we'll find the cardigan up there.
Oh my, I cannot tell you how much fun that was. And I don't know if you were listening to Dory and I, but you would have heard a lot of channel names, YouTube channel names mentioned. We were talking about Always Dolls. I was telling her about how Sarah rebuilds all the AG items. We were talking about, we mentioned Grace from Simply Grace. I heard that one. And I heard a few more. So if you didn't notice that, you might want to replay this video and see if we were talking about you. All good things. But what did I buy? I do have only a small bag, which I am going to keep. And I only bought one thing, but that's because we had we had gone to Sherry and Gigi's doll store before going to the American Girl store, and I kind of felt like I had spent a lot of money there. Be sure and watch that video. That store is exclusive, and Dory got us in on an appointment to go there. Oh. Anyway, this is what I bought for my 18-inch AG doll. And Dory and I are talking about doing a collab to show you, well, we're talking about an Easter skirt to go with that top. Isn't that the cutest? These were actually on sale. I thought they were adorable. I had to get one. Thank you, Dory and Andrew. It's such a big deal. We had so much fun. Thank you for taking us to the American Girl store. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.